Runners coming out onto the course then for our first. Lining up.
They're on starters' orders, they're off.
Standiford Girl was one that was just restrained as the tapes rose on the run down towards the first. It's the market leader Duprica who leads them over. They're all over safely. Trinity Bell just jumped out slightly to the right. And at the back of the field, Standiford Girl, who was under pretty hefty restraint, is taking a very fierce hold as they make their journey down the hill for the first time. So the market leader straight to the front. Duprica in the green jacket shows the way from B&B up on the outside of Kingston Bill and Chrysos. Then the white jacket of Trinity Bell, who shows in 5th place with Pell Mell, and also in that little cluster Rose Tina and Fantasmic as they approach flight number 2 at the foot of the hill. Yes Yes is out in mid-division, maybe just a fraction worse than that, takes it about 5 from the rear, and the 4 behind they include Broid with Lynn, who's towards the back of the field in company with New Perk, and the 2 that jumped off slowly, Standiford Girl and Never Another, are still well in rear, but about 15 lengths behind the pace setter Duprica, who begins the turn back towards home. Quite a fair run before they encounter the first of the 3 flights of hurdles in the home straight, and it's still Duprica who shows the way from in second B&B, Chrysos in third with Fantasmic, and Trinity Bell, who covered a little bit of extra ground on that turn. Big white sheepskin noseband and the white bandages out towards the outside of the field as they take flight number 3. Again, all over safely, with Never Another towards the rear with Yes Yes and Standiford Girl as they continue their progress up towards flight number 4 with the last in a circuit's time. Duprica and B&B step over it together from Chrysos, who shows in third. Blue jacket of Fantasmic is racing keenly towards the outside with Trinity Bell, as there's a rather difference of opinion as to where the best ground is. So up past us, B&B now with a narrow advantage on the stand side with the pale blue sleeves. Far side Duprica, and then the red with the cross belts, white sleeves of Chrysos. They're being tracked by Rose Tina, who shows in 4th. Fantasmic, the blue colours with the white star as they climb at the hurdle just by the paddock. That's flight number 5. Towards the back, Standiford Girl and Never Another are just being pushed along. One that's also losing ground is Rose Tina, and also being ridden along New Perk as they finally now begin to turn left-handed and approach the next flight of hurdles. Completed a circuit and all still standing, but a couple like Never Another just beginning to struggle with Standiford Girl as well. But B&B, who took it up about half a mile or so ago, continues to show the way with Trinity Bell, Duprica, Fantasmic, and also completing that leading group, Chrysos. They're the first 5 to rise at the next flight of hurdles, which again, the field all encounter without a mishap, although right towards the back, Never Another is beginning to tail off. So beginning the descent, and the leading group being whittled down to about 7, as B&B still shows the way from Trinity Bell. Duprica now renewing an effort on the inside, the yellow cap, green jacket, blue colours of Fantasmic. Kingston Bill on the heels of the leaders in the black and yellow from Chrysos. Yes Yes, Pell Mell, and then still just about in touch is Rose Tina, and this little group have broken away from Broid with Lynn and New Perk as they approach the next, and B&B takes it 3 lengths clear. A slight mistake on the inside by the favourite Duprica, and Mick Fitzgerald now pushes along, and Duprica's lost a couple of positions. She's back in 5th place and just beginning to labour as B&B leads Trinity Bell and Fantasmic out of the back straight. Making ground, Yes Yes moves into 4th place, then comes Kingston Bill, who's under pressure, and last of the leading group is Duprica. They're away from Rose Tina. Chrysos has weakened along with Pell Mell as they begin to get more strung out as they turn back towards home, and Yes Yes has circled the field on the turn and gone to the front for Emma Lavelle and Barry Fenton. White jacket of Trinity Bell and B&B still there on the inside. Those 3 rise a couple of lengths clear from Fantasmic in 4th place. Duprica can't pick up the leading quartet, and then comes Kingston Bill. Yes Yes in the centre, the far side B&B sticking to the task gamely. They're in the air together at the last from Fantasmic in the blue colours. Trinity Bell can't go on. The climb uphill for the line, and it's Yes Yes who forges 2 lengths clear on the run to the winning post. From in second place, B&B being pressed close home for that position by Fantasmic, but at the line, it's a win for Yes Yes. Close for second, B&B far side, near side Fantasmic, and back in 4th place was Trinity Bell.
First number 9 and a photograph, 2nd place. First number 9 and a photograph for 2nd place.